Most YouTubers are not failing because YouTube hate them, or maybe because YouTube don't want to promote their video. They are failing because of this mistake that I'm going to be sharing in this video right here. If you upload video to your channel and you don't have views, no subscribers, nothing is working. Your video is just stagnant, not going up, not going down. Automatically, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be sharing 5 common mistakes most YouTubers face and how to fix them. Okay, so if you're interested about that, kindly watch this video from beginning to the end. Okay, first thing first, my name is Donniggi Greater Groot. If this is the first time seeing my face or coming across this channel, you are highly most welcome. In this channel right here, we share tips, strategy on how to grow your YouTube channel and become a successful YouTuber. Okay, so if you're interested about that, kindly smash on the red subscribe button and turn on the YouTube notification bell. Without any further ado, let's quickly dive into the main tutorial starting right now. The number one mistake is misleading thumbnail. I have already explained everything you need to know about misleading thumbnail in my previous video. So if you have not yet watched that video, kindly go and watch this video up here when you are done with this one. Okay, misleading thumbnail simply means your thumbnail is not signifying what you are saying in your video. Okay, for example, if your thumbnail is saying how to get your first 500 views and what you are explaining in your video is all about finance, how to make money online, that is automatically different. The YouTube algorithm will never and ever promote such video, because when you upload your video to your YouTube, first 1 hour the YouTube algorithm is going to analyze that video and see everything that you have done in that video. It's going to check your thumbnail, your title, and what you are explaining to see if everything aligns together before he will start promoting that video. So when the YouTube algorithm done with the checking of everything in your video and sees that the thumbnails and what you are explaining are not aligning together, the YouTube algorithm will never promote that video, because it's going to be seeing you as someone that is not straightforward, as someone that is not knowing what he or she is doing. Okay, and how can you fix this? It's very simple. Anytime you want to upload video, make sure that your thumbnails automatically signify what you are saying in your video. If your thumbnail says that how to get your first 500 views, make sure that what you are explaining in that video is how to get your first 500 views. Okay, the number 2 mistake is inconsistency. So many new creators right here, they want to get their first 4,000 watch time hour and their first 1,000 subscribers and monetize their channel ASAP and start making money with their channel. Okay, but at the same time they are not consistent with their video. Okay, when they upload video today, before they can be able to upload video again, it's going to take them 1 month, 2 months before they upload video again. And by doing this, you are automatically killing your channel. The YouTube algorithm can never and ever promote such channel. Some of the new creators, when they upload videos in this particular niche and they see that that video is not going viral, they now switch to another niche and upload video again. They now see that that video is not going viral, they switch to another niche and upload video again. By doing this, you are automatically confusing the YouTube algorithm, because the YouTube algorithm does not know the rightful audience to promote your video to. Okay, you need to stick to one particular niche and make sure that you upload video consistently. So how can you fix this mistake? Is for you to create a schedule plan. What did I simply mean by a schedule plan? Is if you are uploading video on Monday, make sure that every Monday you are uploading video. If you are uploading video twice in a week, make sure that every twice in a week you are uploading video. Do not mix your uploading day. Okay, make sure that you stick to one particular plan. Okay, if you can be able to have the capacity to upload video every blessed day, strive as possible best to make sure that you upload video every blessed day. And by doing this, you will let the YouTube algorithm know that, okay, this person know what he is doing. Okay, he will know the rightful audience to promote your video to. Okay, the number 3 mistake is talking too much in your video. You know, you people are going to be surprised about this one, but it is what it is. So many creators, especially these new creators, you people talk too much before going straight to the point. Okay, the reason why you can never grow in this particular aspect is because you have not yet built your audience. Nobody trusts in you, nobody believe you. The only people that have right to talk too much in their videos and the viewers will still keep on watching that video is all these big creators that automatically build their audience. Their audience have already have belief in them, their audience trusts them, because even though they talk at the end of the day, their audience believe that they will still bring out nice value something to the table, okay? But for you that is still starting, okay, I believe how to fix this mistake is for you to go straight to the point. Let them know the reason why they click on this video. Go straight to the point. Stop introducing yourself. Maybe at the middle of the video you can decide to introduce yourself, but first thing first, explain the value part of this video. Explain everything that they need to know. Explain it bit by bit and in a simple manner so that everyone can be able to understand it, as simple as that, okay? The number 4 mistake is ignoring the analysis. All these new creators, you people do not pay attention to the analysis. The analysis is going to tell you the reason why your video is not having view. For example, you upload video, you are not paying attention with the analysis. The analysis is going to show you if the thumbnails is the problem that make this video not to be going viral. If YouTube itself is the problem, maybe YouTube is not promoting this video, the analysis is going to tell you everything that you need to know, okay? For example, now you uploaded video and the video is having impression, which means YouTube is promoting this video, but the click of this video is very low. It simply shows that the thumbnails and the title is the problem of that video. For example, also you upload video and the impression is high, the click is also high, but the watch time hour is very low. It automatically shows that your intro is very bad. You should be working on your intro in the next video, okay? So this analysis is very important. As a new creator, you should be paying attention to the analysis so that you can improve in your next video, so that you will know what you are doing right and what you are not doing right, okay? Then number 5, the last but not the least, is copying big YouTuber blindly. Yes, all these new creators, you people love copying big YouTuber, especially all these YouTuber that has a lot of views in their channel, okay? What you did is that you go ahead and copy everything about their video, their thumbnails, their title, and what they are saying in that particular video. You go ahead and copy everything and repost this the way it is. That is automatically wrong. You are going to cause your channel to have a copyright strike, okay? This is how to fix this mistake. If you really want to be copying a big YouTuber, what you need to do is for you to watch that video from beginning to the end, understand every single part, what they teach in that video. What you are going to be doing in your own particular video is for you to try as possible best to add value, make that video to be more valuable, to be more reasonable, okay? And for the thumbnails, what you are going to be doing is for you to change their particular photo to your own pictures and also change some of the write-up in the thumbnails. For the title is for you to change the title, but let it still sound the same, but just change the title, okay? By doing this, the YouTube algorithm will not know that you are automatically copying someone, okay? The YouTube algorithm will still see your videos as a fresh new video, okay? So that is how to overcome that particular mistake right there, okay? So guys, this is where I'm gonna be dropping you, okay? If you can be able to avoid these 5 mistakes that I just shared with you, you are gonna be growing perfectly in your YouTube channel. To grow in YouTube is not by magic. It's all about strategy and knowing the rightful thing to do. If you are serious about growing your YouTube in this 2026, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay, and turn on the YouTube notification bell, because in this channel you are going to be learning a lot tips, strategy on how to become a successful YouTuber, okay? Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Love you.